Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Bebo. In this video, we're going to take a look at multiplying integers. So the main goal for this lesson is how do I multiply integers? So just a reminder on some important vocabulary. Factors are two or more numbers that are being multiplied together to form a product. So they're the numbers in the multiplication problem. And the product is the number that you get by multiplying two or more numbers together. So essentially the product is the answer you get when multiplying these factors together. All right, let's get into some examples here. So when we have different signs, so I have this written really large on the screen here, right? Different signs means you're going to get a negative answer. That is really all you need to remember. You're going to multiply like you have been for years and years and years. Just now with these negative numbers, if you have different signs, so a negative multiplied by a positive, you are going to get a negative answer. So for letter A, negative 7 times 5 is going to be negative 35. And that is it. 12 times negative 9. 12 times 9 is 108. Because they're different signs, it's going to be a negative. Again, that is it. For the last one, 56 times 4, maybe we don't know this off the top of our head, so we have to do some long multiplication. Again, that is perfectly fine. I know for my students, they are not allowed to use a calculator, so they have to be doing these operations by hand. It's good practice anyway. So 56 times 4 is going to be 224. Because they're different signs, it is going to be a negative 224. All right, let's take a look at a story problem that involves different signs. So Mr. Solomon's bank deducts a $6 monthly maintenance fee from his checking account. So the key here is that it deducts a $6 monthly maintenance fee. What integer represents the change in his checking account due to the monthly maintenance fees for 1 year? So 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. And so the problem we're going to be solving here, if you're deducting 6, that value right here is a negative. So we're going to do negative 6 multiplied by 12. And so we get the answer of negative 72. And we can also say negative $72. So that is it. Different signs, it's a negative answer. Let's take a look at another story problem. A submarine is diving from the surface of the water and descends at a rate of 90 feet per minute. So I'm going to highlight that. Descends at a rate of 90 feet per minute. What integer represents the submarine's location in feet after 11 minutes? So really with story problems, like I know I've mentioned in previous videos, it's identifying those keywords. Descending, that is indicating a negative action, right? So that descending at a rate of negative 90 feet per minute, this is again indicating a negative. So we're going to be doing negative 90 times 11. And the trick with this is we can just do 9 times 11, which is 99, add our 0 back on, and this is going to be a negative because, again, we have different signs. Different signs, negative answer. And then our label on this would be feet. And that's it. So what happens now if we have the same sign? Same sign, positive answer, right? So I have this written over here. Same sign equals a positive answer. So negative 9 times negative 8, this is just positive 72. Negative 13 times negative 5, this is just going to be positive 65. Negative 62 times negative 4, again, we might have to write this one out, which is perfectly okay. This is going to be positive 248. So same sign, positive answer. That's going to be it for this video. Make sure you check out the next videos in the series. There's going to be one about exponents. There's also going to be one about evaluating expressions as well as what happens when we multiply 3 or more integers at a time. And then there's going to be another one about story problems. As always, thanks for watching.